Yo, what's up guys, Dice here. If you want to improve your gaming skills and you want to improve the hardware side in order to do that, then you are in the right place. Before we go into it, you need to understand one thing: the growth curves. The curve of the hardware side is like this. For example, if you have a GT 710 and you upgrade your GPU to, let's say, RTX 2060, then this will give you a huge improvement. If you assumed that you have an RTX 2060 and you upgrade your GPU to, let's say, RTX 3080, then in this case you will not get a very big improvement. So yeah, just keep that in mind, the growth curves. First of all, needless to say that you need to use your Ethernet cable when you play a competitive game. Do not ever use your Wi-Fi while you play a competitive game, because it will give you overall a stable connection and it will lower your ping. So yeah, first, use your Ethernet cable. Second, get a good mice. Okay, for example, that is like the grip of the mice. Okay, you need to get a good grip that fits your hand, so it will make you comfortable while aiming. It will improve your aim. Don't just look at the sensor of it. Okay, take a look at all the sides of the mice. This is not how to get a gaming mice guide, so for more information see another detailed video. Number 3, get a fiber connection if you can, because this will help you reduce the ping and it will improve the packet loss a lot. So make sure to get a good internet connection. Number 4, get a high refresh rate monitor, and this is really important. Jumping from 60 Hz to 144 Hz will improve your performance a lot, trust me. However, if you upgrade from 144 Hz monitor to a 240 Hz monitor, don't expect a very big improvement. However, there is improvement, but it's not like jumping from 60 Hz to a 144 Hz. This is why I talked about the growth curvatures in the beginning. If you just want to play casually and a bit competitively, then it's okay to go with 144 Hz. However, as I said, if you are serious about competitive gaming, then the 240 Hz is the way to go. Number 5, upgrade your graphics card. It's obvious because if you got a higher refresh rate monitor, you need a GPU that can give you this frame rate. So if you got a 360 Hz monitor and your GPU is giving you a 60 FPS, then I mean, what's the point? What's the point, right? So yeah, you need to get a good graphics card. And make sure to get a very good CPU to maintain this high FPS, especially if you went with something like 240 Hz. 240 Hz, you need 240 FPS. Make sure to get a good CPU. Finally, and you may wonder actually, you need to get a water bottle. A water bottle. Cringe, right? Yeah, you need to get a water bottle, cause you are gaming all the time. You don't want your freaking eyes to be dry while you're gaming. It will decrease your focus a lot. So make sure to get a water bottle and drink a lot of water. Get a good desk. Make sure that you are sitting comfortably. Your desk is comfortable. Make sure you have a good mouse pad. You don't want to get 2 inches one mouse pad or something. So size matter. Oh my god, I'm so cringe. Yeah, goodbye.